going to be using Ebony's Plush Creation transfer foils. We are going to be doing a marble nail with acrylic. So I'm going to show you guys how to use transfer foils and acrylic to get beautiful marble nails. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply this iMethod Beauty transfer foil gel. Now it says to do it for 60 seconds. I like to do it for about 50 seconds. And you want to make sure that after you cure it in your UV LED lamp and you put on your transfer foil is the design side up. Happened to me so many times where I put it on backwards. So make sure that the design side is up, and then you're going to place this on the nail and really press into the nail. I still struggle with getting streaks and getting a perfect application, but I find that this foil gel worked really well for me. Yeah, so just you press it really well into the nail, and you're going to do almost the whole nail. We are going to go over that nail bed area with some acrylic. This is a really beautiful marble foil, so I really like it. I hope you guys do too. And you guys, if you would like to, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for being subscribed. I love every single one of you, and I'm so happy to have friends here on YouTube. So I am pressing this foil again into the nail after we cured that foil gel on first. Cured it in the LED UV lamp, and then you press it onto the nail. Here I'm going in with this beautiful purple color. This is from Zoeve, and I am using the s&mnailcandi Irresistible Sweets monomer. I do have a discount code for her shop. It is s&mnailcandi, so save yourself some money while shopping. And I do have an update on the Not Polish monomer. It has been a hassle dealing with them, you guys. It has been back and forth, and I have not been getting any answers. So after dealing with them for about a month now, they finally told me to go to the store where I bought it from and tell them, and then they would contact them. So I kind of wish they would have told me that from the beginning. The problem still hasn't been solved with that, so I will keep you guys posted. I do have some hauls coming up. I am getting Triple D liquids and dip powders. I found out about them from Omnia's Wish, so I'm super excited to get that in. And I did make an order on Nailed by Lucy, so I'm trying out her monomer, and I do have an update for you guys. It is pretty good. It is not the best, but it worked pretty good. I do have a video coming out for that to show you guys how that worked. And then here I'm going in with a Zoeve glitter, you guys. I am putting this right in the area where we did not put the transfer foil, just to fade that in, and it is a really pretty glitter. I really like this one, so I'm putting this in there. And then I did not get to show you guys, but I did do like a swirl design on the purple fingers with some crystals and pearls, and I got those all from Amazon. So this set was super easy. I love the way the marble turned out, super gorgeous. And I did use again these Zoeve acrylics on these, and I really like these. I thought that they were super gorgeous, super easy to do. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure again to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you guys think. What have your recent purchases been lately? Let me know down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to watch till the end to see the final result of these really fun foil marble nails. All right, you guys, thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.